Yo people, what is up and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working scripts for your Blox Fruits game on your Roblox. Absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And click on Browse Scripts. Click on Blox Fruits. The first one, guys, it should load up, and then we will have to enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So, guys, if you don't know how to find your Roblox username, just click here how to find your user ID, and you will have everything explained. So I will just enter my username. And guys, don't worry because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So it will start fetching. And when you get this account confirmation, click yes, connect if it's your account, guys. And that's pretty much it. We are successfully connected. And now, guys, we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use Blox Fruits scripts. But don't worry because we can import it now if you don't have. So if you have Delta executor, click here, drop down, guys, select yes. If you already have a different executor, select this, and guys, just go to select straight for the scripts. I currently have no, so I will leave as it is no, and I will import new as Delta. So guys, now we will select our scripts to install. I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and this Nullzen. So guys, you can select literally whatever you like, and also you have Reds Hub fully ready, and you can also Google those scripts, what they do and what features they have. So I will just continue with this for guys. It will start connecting to the API, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more and I will review more websites. So look at this, guys. API is successfully connected. Our 4 scripts selected already, and our activation key is there as well. Nice, guys. So now we will have to click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and let's see what we will get, guys. So let's wait together. Nice, guys, look at this. Our user account is connected and our key is connected as well. Look at this, guys. We got it fully revealed. So let's open our Roblox and let's see, are we actually getting these amazing scripts? I'm so excited, guys. Let's open our Roblox and our Blox Fruits game. I will click play and let's wait a little bit, guys, so this loads up. I will rotate my phone and then let's see, are we actually getting it? So look at this, guys. We're already getting our Delta executor. Now we will select anything and let's see, are we actually receiving our scripts? So let's check. Okay, there we go. Overflow, Forge, Nullzen, and NICUs, just as we selected, guys. I cannot believe that it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Blox Forge was the only working one so far. So let's click, guys, execute on any of these scripts, and look at this, guys. We will get our script fully working, and now we can farm, we can do literally whatever you like, guys. We have a lot of scripts that we can actually test. So look at this. We got automatic farm already. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. You can stay AFK and farm whole day and get levels, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked. So guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.